Hello friends, hope you are all fine and doing well. In my today's this video, I will show you how you can solve the Bluetooth problem in Vivo Y20, Y20i and Y20t. So if your Bluetooth is not working or not connecting in all these three mobiles Y20, Vivo Y20i or Y22, so you can follow this method to solve the issue. So before starting the video, just do subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos. Let's begin the video and watch together.